Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please take out your English notebooks and your Wordsworth English Reader book, as I'll be continuing with the exercises of comprehension of lesson 10, Paramveer Chakra. Students, please take out your English notebook and your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 101, as I'll be continuing with the exercise of comprehension. Students, in my last video, I had explained the lesson 10, Paramveer Chakra, and I had started with exercise A and I had completed the first question and answer. Now today, first of all, I am going to read the lesson once again for you, and then I am going to revise question 1 and then move ahead with the rest of the question answers. So please turn to page number 97 as I read the lesson so that you can easily comprehend the answers. Lesson 10, Paramveer Chakra. The Paramveer Chakra, PVC, is India's highest gallantry award. Established on 26 January 1950, it is awarded for showing utmost courage in the battlefield during wartime. This award is considered to be the highest honor after the Bharat Ratna Award. Literally, Paramveer Chakra means the wheel or the cross of the ultimate brave. Param means ultimate, Veer, pronounced as Veer, means brave, and Chakra means wheel in Sanskrit. The medal of the Paramveer Chakra was designed by an eminent designer, Savitri Khanolkar. Since then, Paramveer Chakra has been awarded to 21 soldiers belonging to the different wings of the Indian Armed Forces. One of the awardees of the 21 awardees, 20 have been from the Indian Army and 1 has been from the Indian Air Force. The first Paramveer Chakra was awarded to a valiant soldier, Major Somnath Sharma, who fought bravely against the enemy in the Indo-Pak War in the year 1947. He was the company commander of the Kumaon Regiment of the Indian Army. Major Somnath Sharma was born on 31st January 1923. His father, Major Amarnath Sharma, was a military officer. The government of India paid tribute to Major Somnath Sharma for his supreme sacrifice by posthumously awarding him the Paramveer Chakra. Other recipients of the Paramveer Chakra are as follows. Name: Nayak Jadunath Singh, Unit Rajput Regiment, date of action 6 February 1948. Second Lieutenant Ram Raghova Rane, Unit Bombay Sappers, date of action 8 April 1948. Third, Company Havaldar Major Piru Singh Shekhawat, Unit Rajputana Rifles, date of action 17 July 1948. Fourth, Lance Naik Karam Singh, Unit Sikh Regiment, date of action 13th October 1948. Fifth, Captain Gurbachan Singh Salaria, Unit 1 Gorkha Rifles, date of action 5th December 1961. Sixth, Major Dhan Singh Thapa, Unit 8 Gorkha Rifles, date of action 20th October 1962. 7th, Subedar Joginder Singh Sahanan, Unit Sikh Regiment, date of action 23rd October 1962. 8th, Major Shaitan Singh, Unit Kumaon Regiment, date of action 18 November 1962. 9th, Company Quartermaster Havaldar Abdul Hamid, Unit The Grenadiers, date of action 10 September 1965. 10th, Lieutenant Colonel Ardeshir Burzorzi Tarapur, Unit Pune Horse, Date of action 11 September 1965. 11. Lance Naik Albert Eka, Unit Brigade of the Guards. Date of action 3rd December 1971. 12. Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Shekhar, Unit Number 18 Squadron, Indian Air Force. Date of action 14 December 1971. 13. Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal, Unit Pune Horse. Date of action 16 December 1971. 14. Major Hoshiar Singh Dahiya, Unit The Grenadiers. Date of action 17 December 1971. 15. Naib Subedar Ban Singh, Unit Jammu and Kashmir Light Infantry. Date of action 23rd May 1987. 16. Major Ramaswamy Parameswaran, Unit Mahar Regiment. Date of action 25th November 1987. 17. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, Unit 11 Gorkha Rifles. Date of action 3rd July 1999. 18. Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, Unit The Grenadiers. Date of action 4 July 1999. 19. Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. Date of action 5th July 1999. 20. Captain Vikram Batra, Unit Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, and date of action 5th July 1999. Captain Vikram Batra was awarded Paramveer Chakra on 15th August 1999, a month after his heroic death in the Kargil War. He was a part of the Operation Vijay of the Kargil War. On 20th June 1999, he led his team to attack point 5140, a mountain peak in the Kargil district, and motivated his men to physically assault the enemy positions. In a heroic feat, Captain Batra fearlessly attacked the enemy and killed 4 of them in a hand-to-hand fight. On 7 July 1999, in another operation in the area of point 4875, Captain Batra fought with the enemy in a fierce hand-to-hand fight and killed 5 enemy soldiers from a short distance. Despite sustaining great injuries, he crawled towards the enemy and threw grenades, thereby clearing the positions with utter disregard to his personal safety in the face of heavy enemy fire. His unit was highly inspired by him and was finally able to defeat the enemy and capture point 4875. Unfortunately, Captain Batra was heavily wounded and breathed his last, sacrificing his life for his country. To honor his supreme sacrifice, he was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, which was received by his father, Sri G.L. Batra. Paramveer Chakra thus symbolizes the sacrifices made by countless soldiers of the Indian Armed Force to safeguard the country. Now, students, I'm going to revise the first question and answer of exercise A of comprehension, that is, answer the following questions briefly. Question 1. Which is India's highest gallantry award? And the answer is the Paramveer Chakra PVC is India's highest gallantry award. Question 1. Which is India's highest gallantry award? The answer is the Paramveer Chakra PVC is India's highest gallantry award. Now, question number 2. Students, please draw a parting line after each answer. First, I'll write the heading. Exercise A. Answer the following questions briefly. First one we have already done. I'm going to start with question number 2. When was Paramveer Chakra established? Why is it given? Now, question 1 is, when was Paramveer Chakra established and why is it given? Paramveer Chakra, when means कब? When was it established and why is it given? और ये क्यों दिया जाता है? So, the answer is Paramveer Chakra. Param's P will be capital, Veer's B will be capital and Chakra's C will be capital. Was established. Paramveer Chakra was established on 26th January 1950. Paramveer Chakra was established on 26 January 1950. It is awarded for showing utmost courage, सबसे ज्यादा courage, utmost means उससे ज्यादा फिर कुछ नहीं होता है, in the battlefield during war time. This is the answer. And please ensure that you draw a passing line after each answer. Now, the question is, when was Paramveer Chakra established and why is it given? So, the answer is, Paramveer Chakra was established on 26 January 1950. This was established on 26 January 1950 and it is awarded for showing utmost courage. Utmost courage की मतलब उससे ज़्यादा courage नहीं हो सकता. सबसे ज़्यादा courage कहाँ दिखाने के लिए? In the battlefield. Battlefield लड़ाई के मैदान में during war time. जब जंग छिड़ी हो और battlefield में जो सबसे ज़्यादा courage दिखाएगा वो परमवीर चक्र का हकदार होगा. Fine. So Paramveer Chakra was established on 26 January 1950. It is awarded for showing utmost courage in the battlefield during wartime. Right, fast children? Fine. Now, the next question. Question number 2. Sorry, question number 3. 2 I've already written. What does Paramveer Chakra literally mean? What does Paramveer Chakra literally mean? So, the answer is literally, comma, Paramveer Chakra means the wheel of the ultimate brave, inverted comma closed, full stop, again open inverted commas. Param means ultimate. Param means ultimate, inverted comma closed, comma, again open inverted comma. Veer means brave, within inverted commas, and Chakra, again within inverted commas. Chakra means wheel, again in inverted comma in Sanskrit. Now, this is the answer. What does Paramveer Chakra literally mean? Answer. Literally, Paramveer Chakra means the wheel or the cross of the ultimate brave. Param means ultimate, Veer means brave, and Chakra means wheel in Sanskrit. Fine. Students, please write fast, and you need to ensure that you need to write wheel of the ultimate brave within inverted comma, then param again within inverted commas, ultimate again within inverted commas, wheel again within inverted commas, brave again within inverted commas, chakra again within inverted commas, and wheel again in inverted commas. Fine. So once again, I am revising both these second and third question answer, then I will be erasing the board. Fine. Now question 2. When was Paramveer Chakra established? Why is it given? Answer. Paramveer Chakra was established on 19 January 1950. It was awarded for showing utmost courage in the battlefield during wartime. Question 3. What does Paramveer Chakra literally mean? Answer. Literally, Paramveer Chakra means the wheel or the cross of the ultimate brave. Param means ultimate, wheel means brave, and Chakra means wheel in Sanskrit. I am sure all of you have written. Now I am going to erase and write the fourth question. Please write with me, and please ensure that you use appropriate punctuation marks. Please look at the board and write correctly. आपको इन्वर्टेड कॉमास एकदम सही जगह लगाने, अगर आप भूल जाएंगे then your marks will be deducted. Fine. So be very particular when you write the words within inverted commas. You need to know where you need to open the comma and close the inverted comma. Now, the next question is question number 4. How many soldiers have been awarded Paramveer Chakra? I'm sure everybody knows this answer after reading this lesson 10. And the second part of the question is, which wing of the Indian Forces. Do they belong to? Now, answer number 4. Param Veer Chakra has been awarded to 21 soldiers belonging to the different wings of the Indian Armed Forces of, O capital of after full stop, fine, of the 21 awardees, 20 have been from the Indian Army and one has been from the Indian Air Force. So बेटा अभी तक 21 लोगों को परमवीर चक्र दिया जा चुका है, जिनमें 20 इंडियन आर्मी के हैं and 1 from the Indian Air Force. So question 4, how many soldiers have been awarded Paramveer Chakra? Which wing of the Indian Armed Force do they belong to? The answer is Paramveer Chakra has been awarded to 21 soldiers belonging to the different wings of the Indian Armed Forces. Of, यहाँ पे O of will be capital because it is after the full stop. Of the 21 awardees, 20 have been from the Indian Army and 1 has been from the Indian Air Force. Fine. So I hope everybody has written. So now I am going to erase this. Please draw a parting line after each answer. I am going to erase question 4 and the answer, and I am sure all of you must have written. Now I am going to write question number 5. You need to write the question and answers carefully without making spelling mistakes, and please ensure that you draw parting lines after each answer. Clear? Now, question number 5. And question number 5 is, who was the recipient. Recipient means the person to receive. Recipient of the Param Veer Chakra, which unit was he a part of? Now, the question is, who was the first recipient of the Paramveer Chakra? Beta recipient, पहला परमवीर चक्र किसको मिला and which unit was he a part of? और वो किस unit के part थे? So, answer 5. The first Paramveer Chakra was awarded to a valiant, V-A-L-I-A-N-T, valiant soldier. Valiant means brave. To a valiant soldier Major Somnath Sharma who fought bravely against the enemy in the Indo-Pak War in the year 1947. He was the company commander of the Kumaon Regiment of the Indian Army. Yes. Question number 5. Who was the first recipient of the Paramveer Chakra? Which unit was he a part of? The answer is, the first Paramveer Chakra was awarded to a valiant soldier, Major Somnath Sharma, who fought bravely against the enemy in the Indo-Pak War in the year 1947. He was the company commander of the Kumaon Regiment of the Indian Army. You need to ensure that Major's M will be capital, Somnath's S will be capital, Sharma's S will be capital, Indo's I will be capital, Pak's P will be capital, Company C will be capital, Commander C will be capital, Kumaus K will be capital, Regiments R will be capital, Indians I will be capital, and Armies A will be capital. So once again, I am going to repeat this answer, that who was the first recipient of the Paramveer Chakra? Which unit was he a part of? The answer is, the first Paramveer Chakra was awarded to a valiant soldier, Major Somnath Sharma, who fought bravely against the enemy in the Indo-Pak War in the year 1947. He was the company commander of the Kumaon Regiment of the Indian Army. So, that's all for today, students. I'll be continuing the rest of the question and answers in my next video. Do learn and revise the taught exercises of lesson 10. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.